So now let me show you how to do task number 18F. So here it says first open the file that is saved in task number 18E. So I'll open Access, the task 18E which I have already saved. I'll just open it. I think I saved it in task 18D simultaneously. So it will take a minute to get open. So this is the task. If you can see, I have student table, I have teachers table, I have the form over here, I have the form of the teachers over here. Now let me go ahead further where it says the question to allow and create a data entry form for the students to make it easier for students to enter their own data. So it's asking you to create a data entry form. So first of all, when you see the table over here, you have two different options of the view, which is form view, layout view and the design view. So I'll click on student. Similar manner I have it for form, layout and design view. So when I click on the design view, this is how the view will be reflected. Now let me show you for the student also the design view. So this is for the student. Now what you need to do is you need to enhance this. Instead of stating as form students, let's make the entry stating here as data entry form. So I'm just clicking on the yellow box and allowing us to type for student. I'm just trying to write something for student details. So this is what I have entered. So when I click my mouse outside, you will not be able to see the entire proper information as the header. How do I do it little bigger? I'll click this details menu and pull it little down. Click on this box which becomes like a orange color box which is appearing. Trying to pull it and making it as a proper way so that it looks like a heading at the top. Again, I'll pull this back again up because we don't want the header to be very big. Now, if in case you don't see any property sheet appearing on your screen, you just have to click on this property sheet which is at the top inside form design menu. Click on that, the box appears here. Now this is the sheet which allows you to do all different changes like adding background color, adding a font color, center alignment, italic, underline, etc. So let me just add background color to this. I'll choose back color. Now when you click here, you have two options. One, to choose from the different styles. The other one is also allowing you to choose color. So I'm just randomly choosing a blue color as a background, and as a font color I'll make it, let it be suppose white. Choosing that. Again, I want to make this in the center alignment. So you have the option called as text align. So from the drop down I'll make it as center. So this is how I have entered the information data entry form for students detail. Student detail, or I'll say student data. Now in the menu at the top in the form design, you also have a control option which allows you to add multiple things like a text box, like a label, like a tab control, like an option button, etc. So let me add a label on the form. Just click on that, bring it down, the icon changes, the mouse pointer changes. Now it's reflecting as +A. This allows you to add information over here. So let me write the information stating please enter the. Now for label I have entered information like please enter the detail in the box below. For your subject teacher, please enter the 3-letter staff code. You remember in the table of teachers we had something called as S code which was acting as a staff code here. So again, let me pull this box a little upwards. You can see it is trying to hide some information, trying to put in the header itself a little bit up. Again, you can even enhance this way. Again, if you want to put some back color to this, you can apply some back color. Let me put some color to it. Also, the font color could also be applied. So I'm just choosing random some of the information. Again, moving down below in the details option over here. Now it's just reflecting as student. As the question says, to have a data entry form which should be more readable and proper. So we'll just rename this. Instead of student ID, please enter your student ID. Again, you can move this box and align it in the proper way so that it's reflected properly. Click and just hold it, put it nicely. So when you move, this box also moves in this order. Again, You can either write first name or you can write please enter your first name, whichever way suits you. I'm writing please enter your first name. Again, as I said, you can even move this and you can even change any particular alignment that you want. Let me just reflect it as please enter your first name. The boxes here. So I'm just copying this part and changing here as enter your surname. Again, you can pull this. Now for English, it should be a little more trying to be more precise. So you can mention the information, who is your subject teacher for English. So you can frame like a question so that when the student is entering, the information is entered in the appropriate way. Similar manner, you can make it for math and the science too. Then I've just copied and trying to place it here in the appropriate way. Just moving it little on the other side. You can either use your mouse arrows also if you wish to. And the question mark. Just click on the box, try to place and align it properly for the science teacher also. Now if you want all the boxes, you can just control and just try to place it in the appropriate way so that it looks in the proper sync. Similar manner, you can even select everything together of this also and place it wherever you wish to. Now I have done a little bit. Now what I'll do is I'll go to form and go to the form view. So you can see it's asking you, this is the look of your data, the form that you have made. Data entry form for the student, and it's allowing you to give the information and you can easily enter. Now at the bottom you can see there is a small blank record, a yellow color icon is displayed, which allows you to add a new record. If you want to add a new record, you can click on this and the things get cleared and you can even add the new record. Now it says to save the database, so we'll click on file, save as database. Again you will save it as the same task 18F. This is your task. It will take a minute. Getting everything closed, and then you will be able to save the task. So I'm just saving it in the same folder of mine where I have saved all the information. So I think I saved it somewhere here. I'm just clicking it. That's it.